Welcome to Jar Lifestyle Limited Liability Company. This company registered at 1 Canada Square, Canada Wharf, London E14, United Kingdom. Its website is www.jarlifestyle.com. The vision of this company is solution to better life. It's a public limited company. 80% shares belongs to public and 20% belongs to the owner. It is working all over 200 countries and more to come. Mission of this company is people empowering people and to help people in the world to give them financial freedom. Company is 100% legal and registered in 6 countries all over the world. Company local office has been opened in India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Nigeria and UK and many more to come. It will be shown in the website. In India, it is registered at Baswara Bangalore, Karnataka. Let me tell you something about Jar Lifestyle. This is an online earning platform, world's biggest advertising program, starting advertising with 3 million KYC verified members. This concept is with 3 joint ventures. First is Jar Lifestyle, this company is providing opportunity of earning. Second is Nordic, who does a KYC and personal verification of members. It is a Nordic is an international company where he does a personal verification, and EI is the company who will provide us 60 ads to watch ads by mobile application from international market, and he will be paying payments for watching ads. How can you join Jar Lifestyle? First, you need to be 18 years of age. Then only you can register. You have to do your email verification. You have to do your personal verification by paying €10. You also have to register in EIA for watching ads, and you can select 25 to 35 areas of interest to watch ads. What is personal verification? Personal verification is what? Personal verification is done by Nordic. It's a Norway company. You have to pay €10 for do your personal verification. What is means? You have to pay €10 plus GST charge. Means it is around Indian rupees 1109. And balance €8 will be paid by Jar Lifestyle in the first case, and then afterwards that €8 will be deducted when you first activate your MLB. For during first level only they will cut €48. From that €48 the €8 will be deducted. Now Jar Lifestyle will pay your money, and afterwards the €8 will be deducted from €48 afterwards. For payment withdrawal you need to have a PAN card. PAN card is mandatory. EIA will provide you 60 ads. It is upon the advertiser how he targets specific country, state, location. He can target audience in age 18 to 35, 35 to 35, 35 to 85, any above. He can also target gender, means male or female or both. But those who have joined before 31st, they will get 31st October will get 60 ads or less. It's upon the advertiser how he targets the audience. And those who are joined after 1st November 2021 will get only 20 ads or less. It is upon advertiser how he targets his audience. You cannot say you give 20 ads only. It can become to you less also, because upon the advertiser who targets the audience. Now how the payments are distributed. For ads and promotion income for paid subscriber, ad agency EIA will provide you 60 ads. Those who have joined before 31st of October. Self-ad view income is 2.74 per day. 2.74 into Indian rupees 87.59. It is rupees 240 per day. If 2.74 euro into 30 days, if you calculate, is euro 82.2, it is approximate 7,200 per month Indian rupees. 82.2 into 12 months is 986.4 euro. It is approximate 86,399 Indian rupees per year. The same applies for when you do direct referral. If you refer any person, if he also see the ad, you'll get 100%. That means to 7,200 rupees per month. It is upon you how much people you refer. If you refer 10 people, you'll get 7,200 rupees from each people, including yours. Means 7,200 into 10 plus 7,200 self view ad income. Those joined from 1st November where that personal verification will receive 20 ads only income per day. The per day income is 0.8 euro. If you join approximate 5 members, then you receive 4 euro per day, including 5 members. That is approximately 120 euro per month. Means Indian rupees approximately 7,200. How it goes forward? Second is, first you have to activate, for if you have to do MLB, first you have to activate 18 euro for MLB activation. For each level, till 7 level, 1 euro will be distributed. First level for 1 euro to second level 1 euro till 7 level 1 euro will be deducted. Total 7 euro are distributed for 18 euro. Then you say in this month you have means you have to create a big team of 100 people in your team, and then say you have created a team of 300 in your if you have done a matrix or 3 by 3 matrix or 3 by 5 matrix or 3 by 10 matrix. Means 3 matrix means what? First you have to bring 3 members, then 3 members will bring 3 members. You have to teach them, you have to train these people. Then these 3 people will train 3 people, and every level 3 people will be trained. So till 7th level the total members become around 3,000 members. 3,000 approximately. Now say if you have activated 18 euro and in your team around 3,000 people, and I am saying only 1,000 people have activated 18 euro. So 1,000 into 1 euro means 1,000 euro will be generated in this month. But there is a compulsion. If you have activated 18 euro, your below person also have to activate 18 euro. Without they don't activate, you will not get 1 penny. So every person have to activate, then only 1 euro will come from your downline. So if you have 1,000 people have activated in your 3 by 3 matrix, then and your team is around 3,000 and you have only 1,000 active 1,000 activity 18 euro, so you will get 1 euro from each member. So 1,000 into 1 euro. After that the commission what is generated, well, means you have generated around 1,000 euro. 48 euro will be deducted from your income. 1,000 minus 48. The 48 will be reserved for the next month MLB active. You need not pay 48 euro extra. You need not pay for activation. It will be deducted from your own account, commission account, and it will be reserved for next month. It will be done, the same process will be done every month. Whatever money that we have generated in this month, 48 will be deducted for the next month MLB activation. For 48 active, what is the income? How is the income distributed? First level 5 euro is distributed. From 2nd to 5th only 2 euros are distributed, and 6th and 7th, 6th level 3 euro is distributed, 7th level 4 euro is distributed. Total 20 euro is distributed in these 7 levels. Now say in your 3 matrix 3,000 members are there. Say now say I am saying 2,000 members have have already has been means they have 48 euro has been reserved for next month. Around 2000 people are there. In the fifth level, around 2000 people are there. 2000 people in the fifth level. So 2000 into 2. So it will become 4000 euro. This is the passive income. This income will never stop. Money will increase and increase. The team also will increase, and your people will also activate MLB, and your euro will also be automatically reserved for next month, and your team also will increase. So your euros will also increase. This is passive income. You are sleeping also. If anyone activates your MLB, the euro will be added in your account. This is a very backbone of this industry. MLB monthly lifestyle bonus. Now I explain below that. If you don't have any direct company, if you don't have direct people below you, then only first month 38 euro will be deducted. Subscription charge for income once in a life means what is there in that 20 euro will be deducted for admin charges and for company admission, promotion, everything is calculated in the 38 euro. And the second point is what? If you are in your direct team, there are 10 people, and in the second level 10 people, then your MLB income starts. MLB level started. So from that month, for that people 48 euro will be deducted. If first level 10 members and second level 10 members become, then automatically the 48 euro will be deducted for your level. For MLB income will be deducted for MLB qualification. This is the first month subscription. Every month, the first month direct 48 euro will be deducted for this subscription charge. And from next level, whatever money that is generated from your this income, MLB income, that will be reserved for the next month. Now say those who have joined free. Those who join from 1st November, they will only receive 20 ads. The per day income will be 0.2 per day is 0.2 euro. So he has to join almost 20 members if he has to get 120 euro per month, means approximately 7,200 per month. So, and that is not sure that he will get 20 ads. It can be less also. It is upon the advertiser how he targets. So it is very good if you do a big team, around 20-50 members team, then you will earn something around 120 or 200 euro per month. But for that you need a big team, and you have to receive 20 ads. If you don't receive 20 ads, you will not receive so much money. So it is upon advertiser how you say. And those who have joined on 31st, before 31st October, they will get 60 ads. But 60 ads or less, it is upon advertiser whom he targets. Now say I am giving an example. Self-paid income is 0.97 per day for 60 ads. 0.97 euro into 87 Indian rupees. It is approximately 85 rupees per day. If 0.97 euro into 30 days, if you calculate it, becomes euro 29.10. It is approximately 2,549 Indian rupees. Now say 29.10 1 euro into 12 months. It is approximately 349 euros. It is approximately 30,000 euros. 30,546 Indian rupees. So euros is 349 per year. And for those you referred below you, from them you will get 0.69 euro into 30, that is 20.70 euro per month. That is Indian rupees, 31,813 Indian rupees. And if you calculate in years, 20.70 euro into 12 months, it is 248.40 euro per year. That is approximately 21,757 per year. How you can do? These are following instruction that you have to follow. If you register yourself as free member, you cannot upgrade till 6 months. You can refer non-KYC member in your direct, means you are not eligible for level income. This means what? if you have joined for free, and if you have joined 10 members free also, and then 10, then you are not eligible for level income. If you have to upgrade also, you have to upgrade after 6 months. So it is better you do personal verification while doing registration. Your income also increases, because per ad you get 0.01 euro per ad for free, and for paid you get 0.04 euro per ad. So it is 3 times more. So better to go for personal verification, and you get more income for per ad. Every person has to do is KYC with PAN before. If you have to take withdrawal also, however you have to do the KYC. So better do KYC when you are registering. Why you are going for free? Minimum withdrawal for this from this is 100 euro. If 100 euro, 100 means 110 euro is the accrued in your account, then only you can withdraw your money. From the withdrawal, 2.5 euro will be deducted. For every withdrawal, 2.5 euro will be deducted. Withdrawal you can get through a bank. You can do by crypto also. You can companies also providing debit card. You have to pay 20 euro for debit card. When debit card, you need not have any bank account. The company will provide debit from debit card. Whatever commission is accumulated in your debit card, you can withdraw from any ATM, or you can generate activation voucher. Means you can take any activation vouchers from your commission. This, as you join more, as you register yourself, will come to know more. Thank you.